A taste of Côte d'Ivoire. An introduction to Atieke. This dish is not just a meal, it is a cultural experience that connects people to the heart of Côte d'Ivoire. Atieke is a beloved dish from Côte d'Ivoire. It is cherished by locals and visitors alike for its unique taste and texture. It is a staple food in this West African nation, often found in homes and restaurants across the country. People often call it cassava couscous because atieke is made from fermented cassava. The process of making atieke is both an art and a tradition passed down through generations. Cassava is a root vegetable and is a big part of the diet in many parts of Africa. It is known for its versatility and nutritional value. Atieke has a unique texture. It is light and fluffy, yet slightly chewy, making it a delightful addition to any meal. Some say it is similar to couscous, while others say it is more like grits. This comparison highlights its unique place in the culinary world. The fermentation process gives atieke a slightly sour flavor, which is what makes it so delicious. This distinct taste sets it apart from other similar dishes. Atieke is very versatile. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It pairs well with a variety of dishes, from savory stews to grilled meats. More than just food, atieke is a symbol of Ivorian culture and hospitality. Sharing a meal of atieke is a way to welcome guests and celebrate community. It is often served at special occasions, including weddings, funerals, and religious festivals. These events are incomplete without the presence of atieke. It is a dish that brings people together. Whether it's a family dinner or a large celebration, atieke plays a central role in fostering unity and joy. Making atieke at home is easier than you might think. It's a fun and rewarding process. First, you will need a few key ingredients to get started. The most important ingredient is cassava, which is the base of the dish. You will need cassava that has already been grated and fermented for the best results. This is sometimes called atieke or gari, depending on the region. You will also need water, which is essential for the preparation, salt and oil to add flavor and texture. Palm oil is traditional, but you can use any kind of oil you like for a different taste. To enhance the flavor of your atieke, gather some onions, tomatoes, and chili peppers for a spicy kick. You will need a few tools to make atieke efficiently. A large bowl, a sieve, a steamer basket, and a pot are essential for cooking. A wooden spoon will also come in handy for mixing everything together. Let's begin making the atieke. This traditional Ivorian dish is made from fermented cassava and is a staple in many West African households. It's delicious, nutritious, and quite simple to prepare. Start by rinsing your fermented cassava in a sieve. Make sure to use cold water to thoroughly clean the cassava. This will remove any excess starch which can affect the texture of the final dish. Then, place the cassava in a large bowl. Make sure the bowl is big enough to mix all the ingredients comfortably. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the cassava, and a tablespoon of oil. The oil helps to keep the cassava moist and adds a subtle richness to the dish. Gradually add warm water to the cassava. Be careful not to add too much at once. Use your hands to mix it. This ensures that the water, salt, and oil are evenly distributed throughout the cassava. You want the cassava to be moist but not soggy. The right moisture level is crucial for the perfect texture. Let the cassava rest for about 15 minutes. This resting period allows the flavors to meld together. This allows it to absorb the water, making it soft and fluffy. While the cassava is resting, prepare your steamer basket. Make sure it's clean and ready to use. Add water to your pot and bring it to a boil. The steam will cook the cassava evenly. Place the steamer basket inside the pot, making sure the water doesn't touch the bottom of the basket. This prevents the cassava from becoming too wet. Now, it's time to steam the atieke. Carefully transfer the moistened cassava into the steamer basket, making sure it is evenly spread. Spread it out evenly. Cover the pot with a lid and let the atieke steam for about 30 minutes, ensuring it cooks thoroughly. Check on the atieke after 30 minutes. If it is still moist, steam it for another 10 to 15 minutes. You will know the atieke is ready when it is fluffy and the grains are separate. To add more flavor, you can saute some onions and tomatoes and chili peppers in a separate pan. Once they are cooked, stir them into the steamed atieke. This will give it a delicious savory taste. Atieke is typically served as a side dish, but its versatility makes it a staple in many Ivorian meals. It pairs exceptionally well with grilled fish, chicken, or meat, adding a unique texture and flavor to the meal. You can also enjoy it with stews and soups, making it a comforting addition to any hearty dish. In Côte d'Ivoire, atieke is often served with a side of kejenou, a traditional and flavorful combination. Kejenou is a slow-cooked stew made with chicken or fish and vegetables, simmered to perfection. Atieke is traditionally eaten with the hands, which enhances the dining experience. This is a sign of respect for the food and the culture, connecting you more deeply to the meal. To eat atieke with your hands, simply scoop up a small amount with your fingers, feeling the texture. Then, use your thumb to push the atieke into your mouth, savoring each bite. Making atieke is a wonderful way to experience Ivorian cuisine, bringing a piece of Côte d'Ivoire into your home. It is a delicious and satisfying dish that is sure to impress your family and friends, creating memorable dining experiences. So, why not give it a try? Experiment with different pairings and discover what you love most about it. You might just discover your new favorite food, one that brings joy and satisfaction with every bite.
If you enjoyed this adventure, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic story. Your support means the world to me. I've got more awesome content coming your way. Stay tuned for more adventures, tips, and fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your enthusiasm keeps me going. Jecht DIY video signing off. Take care, everyone.